Hello guys, welcome to my first video and it's on Animal Jam and um it's one of my favorite games, so I'll show you it if you don't know what it is. So um you get to move your animal around and what this video is about, I got some angel wings. Where is it? Where is it? We'll find this soon. Alright, this is gonna be way quick. Angel wings. Beautiful. And right now I'm using the article of King Snowy Beast. And let's do our treasure hunts. So, what we're gonna be doing is trying to get some good items. Because I think I'm poor on items. Okay. And the good items that I'm gonna try to get is like phantom or reindeer or something. I used to have reindeer set, but I gave it away. I actually got an Adobe bookshelf. Wow. It looks bad to me. Let's try to get this kite with my blue horse. We didn't get it. We're like getting nothing. We only got one item. One! That's sad. Thank you, Bunny, for giving me a bunch of gems. Thank you, my other animals, but they can't hear me right now. And they aren't alive. Why do I have a white monkey? I need to change him from a white monkey. He looks ugly like that. Don't make your monkeys full white. I'm just super excited that this is my first video. So, show you all my guys. Oh, this is not King Snowy Beast. Why? Here's my owl gem or alien gem. Here's my first animal. Professor Cool Rabbit, my clever fox, royal tiger, daredevil speedy monkey. Champ. What's wrong with King Snowy Beast? What? Alright, here's Jim Paneer Super Ninja. I think that's how you pronounce the first one. Here's Daredevil Snowy Beast. He's a raccoon, he's so cute. Fuzzy Arctic Paw. And then Jimpanir Canyon Lion. But I like using my Arctic Wolf. It's so cute. Don't go mad. You look. What? So, no, that's a bad trade. And if you guys want to see all my items, I'll show you them right now. But if you don't want to, just skip this part. Alright, why does everyone make a gold wolf? Why? Just why? I don't know why I was messing with their trade list, right? Everyone's trade list is empty. Everyone's! I can't take it anymore. Okay, I can. One of my buddies is online. Color Creative. You're in this video if you know. Yeah, you're in a video. So you're really nice. Dragon Master. She is like so nice. So shout out to you. Sadly their trade list is empty, but shout out to you. Lilipapalaka Lithwip. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but they're also nice. So shout out to them too. New Mexico. You don't look like you're in New Mexico. He doesn't. Alright. So wait, is that my buddy? No, that's not my buddy, sadly. Oh, someone's saying hi. Hi! Oh. And guys, if you want to see my den, I can show you it. Right now I'm using my castle den, but I'll show you all my dens. By the way, guys, I just woke up. And yeah, my den's packed. It's packed. What is this? One of my friends made it nasty, so I fixed it. There's all this. Take that. Alright, so my room, kind of like a guest room. They could sleep on the couch beautifully, but then they fall off and hit their head. Okay, that won't happen, guys. I'll show you all my dens. So Castle, Tiger Temple, Tree House, Princess Castle, Moonlight Manor, Pixel Palace, which I'm gonna swap to my Pixel Palace. Yes! It's working! Alright, so guys, I just woke up, so that's why I'm yawning a lot. This place are adorable bookshelf. It's an adorable bookshelf. I like using my silly voice, guys. Why won't you let me place that? That's sad. So I'll show you my dad. That's my dad. It's Moment. What? Come, please. Okay, I will. What does it say in One Horsing Around? Strong as a lion. Oh. Okay. Why do they want me to come? Mimi Nally Yally's den. Mini Matty Matty's den. Meaty Yally Yally's den. I have no idea how to pronounce their name, but why is there so much guys here? This is so weird and sad. Okay, it's not sad, but I hope they know that they're in a video. They're like, is anyone recording? I'll be like, me, I'm recording. Because I am. Whoa. Wait, my buddy has deer fur? Thanks for coming, everybody. Training. You're welcome. Yay! Alright. You have a unicorn horn in your head. Oh, that's from you. Guys, have I showed you my angel wings already? Yeah, I have. A trading party? Okay. Okay, a trading party. I might. What? Can't type anyone's trading list. Well, I can. To you. And guys, I don't think I could trade because no one's good here. So, bye.